Welcome to our guide on Beetlejuice Halloween decoration ideas. If you're a fan of the whimsical and spooky world of Tim Burton, then Beetlejuice is the perfect theme for your Halloween setup. Combining dark humor, eccentric characters, and bizarre visuals, Beetlejuice offers plenty of inspiration for both indoor and outdoor Halloween decor. Whether you're going for a full-blown Beetlejuice experience or just want to sprinkle in a few key elements, there's something for every fan to enjoy. The movie's signature black and white stripes, creepy characters, and otherworldly vibe make it a Halloween classic. It strikes a balance between spooky and playful, giving you a chance to get creative with your decorations. From outdoor yard setups with giant sandworms to subtle nods inside your home with Gothic-style furniture or Beetlejuice quotes, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll guide you through the key areas you can transform into your own Beetlejuice Halloween wonderland. We'll cover outdoor decorations, interior styling tips, and even some DIY craft ideas to help you achieve the perfect spooky yet fun atmosphere. So, if you're ready to bring the world of Beetlejuice to life this Halloween, let's dive in. Starting with the outdoors, the first impression of your Beetlejuice Halloween setup begins with your yard and entryway. You want your guests to feel like they've stepped right into the movie. Beetlejuice's iconic black and white striped pattern is an easy and recognizable feature you can use. Try wrapping porch columns, or even creating a Beetlejuice tombstone in your front yard with "Here lies Beetlejuice" engraved, just like in the movie. These little touches instantly set the mood and let people know that they've entered a Beetlejuice-inspired world. But why stop there? One of the most iconic elements you can add is Beetlejuice's infamous sandworms. These slithering creatures are a must-have for an outdoor display. You can build your own DIY sandworm using PVC pipes, foam, and paint. Have them winding through your yard, emerging from the ground, or peeking out from bushes. This adds a dynamic, otherworldly effect, making your Beetlejuice-themed front yard even more immersive. To enhance the creepy, gothic feel of the Beetlejuice world, consider adding elements like weathered gravestones, spooky trees wrapped in faux cobwebs, and flickering green or purple lights to give everything a ghostly glow. Incorporating these items brings the movie's eerie atmosphere to life. You can hang Beetlejuice-themed signs, like "Never Trust the Living" or "It's Showtime," for a playful touch. And of course, an inflatable Beetlejuice figure or a custom-made cutout can serve as the centerpiece, giving visitors a big welcome straight from the netherworld. If these Beetlejuice-themed Halloween decoration ideas gave you some spooky inspiration, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love the ghost with the most. Once your guests step inside, it's time to continue the Beetlejuice theme throughout your interior spaces. Start by focusing on your entryway or hallway. You can create a Beetlejuice-inspired gothic look by incorporating dark, moody colors, black and white striped rugs, and vintage-style furniture. For an even more immersive feel, try recreating scenes from the movie, like the waiting room scene, complete with creepy props such as skeletons, old dusty books, and shrunken heads. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the tone. Use dimmed, colored lighting like purple and green to evoke a surreal, ghostly atmosphere. Lanterns and flickering candles also help create a spooky, old-world charm. Consider displaying Beetlejuice-themed prints or quotes on the walls, like "It's Showtime" or "Never Trust the Living," to keep the theme consistent and engaging. Adding movie memorabilia, like a replica of the handbook for the recently deceased, can make the decorations feel even more authentic. In the living room or dining room, you could recreate the iconic dinner party scene from the movie with ghostly figures around the table and spooky silverware settings. Adding Beetlejuice-inspired throw pillows or blankets on your couch featuring the black and white stripes will tie everything together. Small touches like this ensure your home feels like a fun yet eerie homage to the movie. What's your favorite Beetlejuice-themed decoration? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you plan to bring some mischief into your Halloween decor. For those who love to add a personal, hands-on touch to their decor, creating DIY Beetlejuice-themed props and decorations is the way to go. One of the most standout ideas is making your very own life-sized Beetlejuice cardboard cutout or standee. This makes a fantastic centerpiece or a fun photo opportunity for guests. All it takes is some cardboard, paint, and creativity to bring the character to life right inside your home. A photo booth with Beetlejuice props is another great addition to your party. You could design a large version of the handbook for the recently deceased for guests to pose with, or create a backdrop that mimics the Maitland's haunting scenes. Other DIY props could include shrunken heads, creepy Beetlejuice hands reaching out from behind objects, or even foam versions of the sandworm. For something a bit smaller, think about crafting mini Beetlejuice tombstones for your dining or coffee tables. You can make these from foam or plaster, painting them to look like aged, weathered stone. They'll add an eerie touch to your home, while being easy and fun to make. A playful party game idea is ring toss with the sandworm, where guests try to toss rings onto the sandworm's head. Not only will these DIY projects add authenticity to your setup, but they'll also engage your guests, making your Halloween celebration even more memorable. For more spooky decor ideas and Halloween inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest haunting tips. Finally, for those looking to dive deeper into crafting, there are some amazing Beetlejuice-inspired crafts and decorations that can help bring the movie to life in your home. One of the easiest and most effective decorations is a Beetlejuice-themed wreath. This can be as simple or elaborate as you like. Start with black and white striped ribbons, add faux cobwebs, spiders, and even a mini sandworm for extra fun. Hang this wreath on your front door to make an immediate impact. Another project could be creating Beetlejuice-inspired wall art or canvas prints. You can easily make your own designs featuring iconic quotes, like "It's showtime," or illustrations of Beetlejuice's face. Pair these with Gothic-style frames for a perfect touch to hang around the house. These pieces of wall art will help pull your whole theme together while giving your decor a personal and unique feel. A bigger craft project could involve recreating the Maitland's model town from the movie, displayed on a large table or shelf. You can construct miniature houses and trees, and even add little Beetlejuice figurines to stage scenes from the movie. This would be a fantastic focal point for any room, drawing the attention of guests and adding a quirky Beetlejuice touch. Lastly, consider making your own Beetlejuice centerpieces. Whether it's a sandworm centerpiece for your dining table or spooky Beetlejuice-themed candlesticks, these simple projects go a long way in capturing the movie's quirky, Gothic spirit. Whatever you choose to make, crafting Beetlejuice-inspired decorations brings a personal, handcrafted feel to your Halloween setup and allows you to let your creativity run wild. Check out our Halloween decor playlist for more eerie ideas and creepy themes, including more Beetlejuice-inspired decorations. As you can see, the world of Beetlejuice offers an exciting and unique array of Halloween decoration ideas. From outdoor displays that will make a dramatic impact on your neighborhood to the interior touches that create a fun, immersive experience for everyone who visits, Beetlejuice is a Halloween theme that never fails to impress. Whether you're a fan of the movie's dark humor, eccentric characters, or spooky vibes, these decorations will bring your love for Beetlejuice to life in a fun, memorable way. Explore more Halloween decorating videos on our channel, where we bring you creative ideas for every spooky occasion, from Beetlejuice to classic haunted house styles. One of the most fun aspects of this theme is how it blends the eerie with the quirky. Unlike traditional Halloween decorations, Beetlejuice brings a sense of playfulness to the spooky season, giving you room to get creative and not take things too seriously. Love the Beetlejuice-themed decorations featured in today's video? Check the description below for links to all the products used, so you can recreate these frightful ideas at home. It's a theme that works for people of all ages, making your home a standout during the Halloween season. So, as you plan your Beetlejuice-themed Halloween, remember that the key is to have fun with it. Whether you go all out with large outdoor displays or prefer smaller, more subtle indoor touches, there's no right or wrong way to bring this theme to life. Use these ideas as a foundation, and let your imagination take it from there. With all of these spooky, fun ideas, your Halloween decorations will not only stand out, but they'll also create a lasting impression that your guests will talk about long after the season is over. Enjoy transforming your space into the world of Beetlejuice and have a spooktacular Halloween season.